Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to see the watched videos history on Facebook, and now let's dive right in. Now to see or view your watched videos history on Facebook, first open up your Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to view your watched videos history. And now in order to proceed from here, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a tree lined icon available for us. Tap on that tree lined icon. And over here guys, on this page you can see the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that settings icon, and over here scroll down to the bottom of the page where you can see there is your activity option available for us, and on that category the first option is the activity log. Tap on activity log, and over here guys you can see the options where it says public posts, public tags, story activity. You can swipe them to the left, swipe them until you can see the videos watched option available over here. Tap on that videos watched, and over here all of your watched videos will be available over here, and you can also clear your video watch history at once if you tap on the clear video watch history available over here. And if you want to delete just a particular video you want watched or revisit that video, tap on it, you will be redirected to that video. Or if you want to delete it, just tap on the three dotted icon, it will be deleted. And these are the videos you have watched guys, and this is how you see your watched videos on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.